Today we're going to show you how to install MP Mall's tempered glass screen protector. First, take one of the stickers and place it on the back of the phone, just like this. Then place another one at the bottom, just like that. Now place the screen protector on the phone with the red sticker facing down. And now you're going to align the cutouts for the speaker and home button. Make sure they're aligned properly, and if the cutouts are aligned, then you can wrap the stickers around to the front of the phone, just like this. Now using the tab with the red sticker, carefully flip the screen protector over and clean the screen first with the wet wipe. Next, you can dry the screen with the dry pad. This blue sticker is the dust collector. So wrap it around your fingers just like this, and then blot it around the screen of the phone to get rid of any dust. This is important because it will keep air bubbles from forming when you put the screen protector on. Now carefully pull the protective layer back from the screen protector using the red sticker, and then carefully flip the screen protector back over. And you can use your finger just like this to get rid of any air bubbles. Now you can pull off the two stickers. And you're all set.